Hi guys, it's Genesis here, back with another banger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you like about this video. So today we'll be baking chocolate chip cookies. I'm looking excited because it's been a while since I baked. It's been like last weekend. And I never baked cookies. The last time I tried, they were sugar cookies. They were not that bad, but they wasn't that good. So like, yeah. Let's get it on. By the way, guys, I'm at my sister's house baking. Looking for an angle there, and I just can't find the perfect angle to put you guys. So I don't know if this is good, because I want y'all to see what I'm doing and all that. But like, this is not on the tray. Like, this is like distance. You see this? Notice empowerments. I don't know if I can spell it correct. But yeah, I'm just gonna find a place to. Y'all will not see my face, unfortunately, because of the angle. Maybe I should move a bit back. Maybe I should move a bit back. There's no space to. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. But I don't think I'll need to notice. So yeah, let me just like read the recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. So it said I will need butter at room temperature. Okay, this
Oh, this car right here. Yeah, I see it. Don't make me blow you up, dude. Come on. Please.
Can you see where I am?
I don't have the guts. I don't. Oh, okay, you do it. I get your car. So I need my 2.5.
Let's not talk. I got 6 eggs and 1 is apparently all we need, so we're not gonna be here complaining. Yeah. Wait, what happened to all my precision? Okay, so eggs, butter, oil is kind of optional, but I'm just gonna bring in oil. I'm not gonna stress about all that long process. Oh yeah, y'all gonna do them in the pantry. Okay. Where's the oil, guys? Okay. Yala may be like, oh my gosh, Genesis, how do you not know where the things are in your own sister's house? Well, number one, most of the time I'm not here, and the cupboards, the things are always switched up. So tell me, how would you feel if someone told you that? Okay, hold on. Okay, where are we? I also come and need. Sorry. I'm not comfortable with this angle, guys. Sorry. You know what? It's fine. Old camera placement it is. It's not that bad. So moving on to the other thing, it's it. I need a large flat tray. It's a tray. It's large. We're not gonna talk more business. Okay, this is gonna go there. An electric beater. So my sister's one, unfortunately, it died. It's dead. It went on strike on the worst time. So we're not gonna use an electric beater. We're gonna use my hand.
Too hot for me. Thank you guys. I really want. They probably have money too, but I got the gold bar.
Okay, but before we go on, I feel like I don't know if we need this. What is that? But I feel like we need this. But we are looking for the feeder. A whisk. Not a feeder. Where is the disc? Mixes. We don't. It's a whisk. the name of Genesis, my Lulu will become True Lulu. Okay, moving on.
Absolutely amazing. The coolest bike I think I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at that. That's even cooler than that bike.
So,
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I don't know how I'm supposed to read this today. It says here, adjust the 2 slots. Okay, we're not gonna start there. In a medium-sized bowl, beat the butter until creamy. Okay, looks like my hand is gonna suffer through this process, but I mean, it's fine, I guess. Guys, is this medium to you? Please tell me, what size does it say it is? I don't know if it's medium or not. I mean, it's a bowl.
What? But you can't be here. Well, how come you got a real smart phone? Okay? Yeah. I'll be back. I'm gonna be checking.
Nonetheless.
So,
If that bowl doesn't work, I'll just use this button. Because we're not here to be aesthetically pleasing, we're just here to, play around. So it says in a medium bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy. How much butter do we need again? 125 grams. How much is 125 grams? This stick itself is... It's not even a stick. This thing itself is 100.
Well, I don't have money, but I could do something for you. I do a job. I could do that. Yeah. Or you know what? Huh?
Hold on. This stick of butter is 100 grams. This asks for 125 grams. So even if I put this whole thing in, it won't be like. Hold on. I disagree with you. I'm not gonna go through that. If they don't like baking butter in the Guys, 125 grams is crazy. I'm not gonna do that. Sorry.
Let's see if this thing actually works or not. Come on.
I'll maybe make another video like, I don't know, 6 years later from now, or maybe 7, like earning back my title, because that's just too much. So if here's the middle, and this would just be 25. It says grams. Okay, so like. So like the butter is like, melting, but it's not room temperature, so I'll put it in the microwave for a little bit. It's gonna have to be 15 seconds, so I have to keep my eye on it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
You see, guys, now it's slightly melted and it's like soft. See, it's now like smashing easily, so I can mix it. That just had to happen, but yeah. You see, guys, now it's like mixed for about 30 seconds. So I must add the oil in the 1/4 cup. This is how much oil I need to use. And the egg, it says a large egg, but these eggs don't look large. They look more like small.
Watch out, officer. Excuse me. Oh, you were flying again. Where'd he go? Is it? Yep, okay.
So like I'm gonna mix and add the oil. I want y'all to see this neck. Yeah guys, I tried moving her at another angle, but it's just not working. And why does this all of a sudden look better? Damn, if you are telling me I have to clean my camera the whole time, I'm gonna get so pissed. But yeah, this is the bed on top of the mixture. And I'm just gonna like fold it in. If that's a technique, then I'm using it. Like fold the batter in with the cookie dough. Oh, this looks good. Okay. You see, this is why this thing like cleans up very well. Like, I don't know how the texture like changes, but the knife is just good. Okay, chocolate chips. Got chips one. That is strawberry. Let's put some. Okay, I want to keep some to sprinkle on top when I'm done. But look at this, guys. Okay, tell me this does not look good. Let me try to mix it. I'm holding my phone in one hand, guys, so just notice the struggle. It's like hold it all together. Don't over mix it. That's the thing, you must not over mix it. Okay, let's check them out. Oh my days. Oh no, they're sticking. Some of them are sticking. Let me just check it out, because I don't want them to stick like that. Yeah, it's even like soft. Okay, what the hell? Okay, I'm just gonna take this knife now and like do that, so like when I'm removing them they don't stick. Yeah, like that. Something. Boom. That scared me. You clearly need more time. I'm gonna put you in for another 15 minutes. Okay. Seems like it's burning. That's gonna wake up my sister, but the things are not burning. They're just like, I don't know what's going on, but I feel like it's not burning. This is the perfect time to try it. So I have to like put the cup down and then circle around it. It's gonna be like a little crazy, but okay, I guess. But my cup is not gonna come out. Do you like it there, Richard? It worked! Money, stupid man. I just had to pull out the Africans because that is crazy. My sister's gonna love this one. Why so? It makes it taste better. Why so? It makes it taste better. Guys, this dude is putting in salt in cheese cookies. I just called you a dude for a reason. Is there anything wrong with putting salt in my cookies? I just called you a dude because who put salt in their cookies? Who put salt in their cookies, bro? It's true. Who put salt in their cookies, Divine? Normal people. Huh? Normal people. No, no one does. What's wrong? Well, I do. Are you? That means you're not a human being. That means Divine's not a human being. Okay, this is not plated nicely, guys, but yeah.